'Cause one day you're here, oh, then the next day you're gone. Tomorrow's not promised. Tomorrow's not promised. Tomorrow's not promised. Yeah, tomorrow's not promised.
Young suburbanite, drinking beer and smoking weed. Lived with mom and dad, buying everything he needs. He was just a teen, growing up in urban homes. Plenty food to eat, mom would always pay his phone. Someone's always home, brought up in a happy house. He had college plans, everything was working out. He would always smile, blessed by God, the future's bright. Partied all he could, every day but mostly nights. Yeah, he lived the life that most of us would kill to have. All the bills are paid, this the life I wish I had. It gets kinda sad cause everything comes to an end. The story that I said it made up, it's about a friend. Yeah, he died in a wreck while he partied out. Driver lived, but he died by his mama's house. The Bible said that tomorrow ain't promised to us. First you're here, then you're gone and return to dust.
Tomorrow's not promised. Tomorrow's not promised. Yeah, tomorrow's not promised.
You know I reach out and I touch the sky. Plus I try to touch you in the rush to die. It's a constant grind, make me feel I'm gon' lose it. At times I get discouraged and feel it's all useless. I'ma bring the war with a deadly army. 'Cause we broke and hungry while the devil's party. Celebrating life with their kids and wife. While my little girl cries, mommy wipe your eyes. I like to sleep a lot, people ask why that is. 'Cause that's when I'm in the world with my wife and kids. In my dreams we can play in the park and laugh. And when I wake, all the pain come rushing back.
Tomorrow's not promised.